Please like, share, and subscribe. And now let's start the video. So let's see how we can customize the input HTML tag. First of all, let's start by creating a new React application. So for that, the command npx create React app and app name. Yeah. So let's give the app name as custom input, and it will install all of the libraries and other whatever it is required. So let's give it some time for that to get installed, and we will meantime we will just open the application where it is getting created. So custom input, we just open the application, and in the terminal after it get installed, yeah, now it is installed. So let's do npm start so that the server gets started. So when we go to localhost 3000, we can see the React application running. So we will remove all of this code which is not required. So let's add our custom input in this, and a custom input will be a arrow function which gives JSX element. So we can render that using this round brackets. So in this we will be creating a div. Inside that div we will be creating an input tag. So let's give the class name for this. Later we can actually define all of the classes and their attributes. So in the input tag we'll make it type as file, and the class name for associated with that, let's give the class name for this. And yeah, I think that will be that's it. So in this, let's now go to the app.css. We don't require all of these code, but we will be requiring some of it. So let's delete some of the code. Yes, I think so. Okay. Yeah, I think the app header is required for this. So let's remove everything except that app header. Yeah, now we are good here. So let's define our class name, custom file. So custom file is a div. So we'll give some border as red and the border color as well, and the background color as well. So and the border radius, let's keep it as 1 rem for now. And also similarly we will declare the dot custom file input. If you want this code, just comment down below. I will just give it to you. So let's define some height parameters, padding, and other required fields for this. We will give some WebKit border box. So this will be border box, I guess. Yes, sizing border box. Yeah. Similarly, we will just add one more sizing, that will also be border box, and we don't see any change, so there might be, yeah, okay. and we'll be adding a background 6 URL, which will be an image link. So that is the image which will gets displayed on the screen. So I will get you all of the code. Just leave a comment down below. So after adding that, there is one more field which we need to add for this one. So yep, the background size, let's keep it 60 pixel and 60 pixel for this. And now when we save it, we will be able to, yeah, we are able to see this. Okay, so this is how we can configure our input HTML tag. Thank you.